Today we'll have a look at the simple process of maintaining the leaf eater advanced with the hood. It's a great idea just from time to time periodically to check the screen, just to see if it needs a clean. There may be a slight build-up of leaves or other debris. So to check the screen or to clean it, we simply just need to lift the hood up out of place and maybe able to just slide it up that upper section of downpipe if there's enough clearance there, and it could hold itself in place. If not, you can actually take the hood out or just hold it up. If there's only a few things there, we can simply just sweep that screen clean with a brush or your hands, or if it needs a bit more of a clean, simply just lift that out of the rain head body and take that away and give it a good clean, give it a backwash with the hose and get it really nice and clean. And then simply just put that back in place. It just pushes down over the rain head body, and then slide your hood back down into place, and then that's done and ready to go.